If you are not manager of time, then you are manager of what? Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. You can never buy, sell, or create time. Time, once gone, will never return. In this video we will discuss some time management tips generally but especially for managers. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please, like and share this video because we need your support. Watch the video till end, so that you may have better understanding. Let's start the video. A lot of people are quite busy nowadays. These individuals also tend to be disorganized because of their busy lifestyle. Always remember that time is of the essence, and that is why even if you are quite busy, you should also have time management techniques to implement. To handle things in an easier way, here are time management tips for you to implement. Let's start. Pay attention. Now. Tip number 1: determine the things where you waste time. It is important to know the things you do that are not relevant and productive. For instance, instead of surfing the internet and reading important emails, you are playing mobile games. Another example is using the telephone just to talk about somebody or anything nonsense. The best thing to do is to list down all the non-relevant and time-consuming things you do. Meaning, you have to eliminate the not to do things. Tip number 2: set up your time management goals. Create your goals in eliminating time wasters. Be strict and focus on the things you have to eliminate. Although these can be hard, it is best to implement it by heart. Tip number 3: implement your time management. This means that you should prioritize the things that will give you productive results. Finish what you have started and don't just leave it without finishing it. Many people fail to do this because they don't have the will and motivation. Be consistent and strive hard. Tip number 4: always be ready. Prior to the things you want to do, it is best to be ready. Remember the saying, "The early bird catches the worm." Well, this is true since you don't have to worry about the next tasks ahead of you. Meaning, since you have finished everything at an earlier time, you are free to do your extracurricular activities. Tip number 5: organize. It is also a great time management tips is to organize the things in your workspace. This way, you will not worry about looking misplaced things. A clutter-free workroom is always a nice thing to see. Tip number 6: prioritize. Once you have tasks at hand, prioritize the most important ones. This is a good time management technique since you are able to finish your work tasks that are being prioritized at an earlier time. You can finish the next tasks easier since the hardest and most time-consuming tasks are done. Tip number 7: learn to make it a habit. Time management skills. Daily routines being done every day that results proper management should also be established. Follow productive routines and make sure what you are doing has a steady flow. Tip number 8: set time limits. Another time planning tips is to set up time limits on your tasks. Be strict in finishing all your tasks within the time allotted. This will surely harness your skills and time planning. Remember, stick to the rules. These are the tips in time management. Be in control and always think and act ahead. This will surely make your way on the top. Don't waste your time, do it now. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video, your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch, see you in the next video.